What's the difference between please help me and please help me? It's all about the comma. Without it, please is just a polite request, soft, gentle, respectful. With it, please becomes a signal of urgency or emotion, almost like saying, please, for the love of it's stronger, more insistent. Could you please help me with this? Polite. Could you please help me with this? Urgent. Emotional. Please, don't forget your keys. Emphasis, care. Please don't forget your keys. Still polite, but neutral. Native speakers use the comma to add weight, urgency or feeling. It's not wrong, just more powerful. Want to master these small but mighty details? Subscribe to Edeye and your daily English boost.